Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see audio to save file location for all users. For Dodi, you just need to go to C drive, users, username. If you don't know your username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username. After that, double click on it and just need to select the view option on the top and select show and check mark this hidden items so that you can able to see this app data folder. Double click on it and double click on the roaming folder. Double click on this 1911. Double click on RDR2 in profile. Here is the save game location. And for other two users, you just need to check my video description for this file path, guys. I doesn't have installed both of these games, so I can't show that. You can find on your own using this. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.